Lions, Panthera leo, are one of the most iconic and well-known wild animals, often referred to as the king of the jungle or king of beasts. Here are some key facts about them. Physical characteristics. Size and weight. Male lions can weigh between 330 to 550 pounds, 150 to 250 kilograms, and measure about 8 to 10 feet, 2.4 to 3 meters, in length, including their tail. Females are generally smaller, weighing between 260 to 400 pounds, 120 to 180 kilograms. Male lions are distinguished by their impressive manes, which can vary in color from blonde to black. The mane's size and color can indicate age, genetics, and hormone levels. Color. Both male and female lions have a tawny coat, which helps them blend into their surroundings. Habitat and range. Natural habitat. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands, where they can hunt more effectively. Geographic range. Historically, lions roamed across Africa, Asia, and Europe. Today, they are mostly found in sub-Saharan Africa, with a small population of Asiatic lions surviving in the Gir forest of India. Behavior and social structure. Pride structure. Lions are social animals and live in groups called prides. A pride typically consists of several related females, their cubs, and a small number of adult males. The size of a pride can vary from 2 to 40 individuals. Roles. Females usually do the hunting, working cooperatively to bring down prey. Males, while they can hunt, primarily defend the pride's territory and protect the cubs from threats. Communication. Lions communicate through a variety of vocalizations, such as roars, grunts, and growls. Roaring helps to establish territory and can be heard up to 5 miles, 8 kilometers, away. Diet and hunting. Carnivorous diet. Lions are apex predators, primarily hunting large herbivores like zebras, buffaloes, wildebeests, and antelopes. They may also scavenge from other predators. Hunting techniques. Lions use teamwork and stealth to stalk and ambush their prey, typically hunting at night or early morning to avoid the heat. Conservation status. Threats. Lions face several threats, including habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Their populations have significantly declined over the past century. Conservation efforts. Various conservation programs and protected areas aim to preserve lion populations. Efforts include habitat protection, anti-poaching measures, and initiatives to reduce human-lion conflicts. Cultural significance. Lions have held symbolic significance in various cultures throughout history. They appear in art, mythology, and literature as symbols of strength, courage, and royalty. From the Sphinx of ancient Egypt to the emblem of England, lions have a pervasive presence in human culture. Understanding lions' behavior, biology, and conservation challenges helps in appreciating these majestic creatures and the efforts required to ensure their survival for future generations.